All right, the official way to join Save Club, just going straight to the meat and potatoes. All right to brass tacks is going to joinsaveclub.org. Okay, that's it. This is probably the most simple video I've ever made in my life. Okay, there it is on the screen, guys. Joinsaveclub.org. Now don't put a Y after that G or an asmic. Okay, unless you really have to. But okay, but yes, organization. It is a badass organization. It is a club. And if you'd like to join, please just joinsaveclub.org. And you're going to click this little button here, that orange little thing, after you put your contact info right here, okay? Please watch this video. It's about 6 minutes. It's our founder, Charles. He's going to tell you a little bit about this and that and how to get paid, how to earn money and save money. And plus, it's just good to hear from our founder, our cruise director, our captain of this badass ship, okay? So open up your email that you're going to receive from Save Club. And if you want to join, just follow the instructions, get your username and password. It's pretty darn easy. And if you don't join, you'll get one email a day from Save Club, from this company, Save Club. I don't have to do it. They do it on my behalf, on your behalf. So if you join, you don't have to have all this experience with autoresponders or email messages. Let this company do it and save the emails. They're well written. And if you're going to join, you can learn a lot from them. Okay. And if you don't want to join, just unsubscribe to the email or just click this thing you're watching now called a video and go, I don't know, play some games or I don't know, go on eBay and look at cool stuff for sale or on Amazon. But with Save Club, yes, massive endeavor. We're only 7 days old. We have thousands of people wanting to join a day, but we only have a handful of affiliates. So please look into joining for that $60 to be an affiliate. And of course, the $19.97. So if you have $79.97, you're in the game, guys. You're sitting down at the poker table and you got a fresh pack stack of chips. And let's have some fun. Let's rock. I got my rock hat on. And I know you can do this. I know you can save money. That's my personal quotations as I put my fingers by my head. I really do believe you can do this. And that's why I put a lot of time and energy into video and not automations and mass producings of sending this and sending that. I like to definitely put some time and some minutes into just talking to you guys on a webcam. And I want you to do the same and have a good experience. And if you don't know how to do video, don't worry. My team has a ton ready for you to upload. You just put your own link where people can join. And we have pictures and banners. But I want you to join a team, not just a person. Okay? So you think about that. And I want to personally invite you to a couple private invite-only Facebook pages. Because I think there's a lot of power in joining a team versus just by yourself, where you might get a little bummed out if you don't get success, you run out of ideas and you quit. Don't do that, guys. Do not do that. So join a badass team. And the way to officially join this company is joinsaveclub.org and go from there. And check out this too. This is a $25 funnel system that now has me almost 100 signups. All right, I already got 100 signups. And this darn company is already 1 week old. That's it. We kicked off June 1st. So check out saveclubfunnels.com. You don't have to have it, but it's like extra salt and pepper and something really cool to make that thing nice and tasty. Okay. And then, of course, joinsaveclub.org is waiting for you right now. Guys, thanks. This is a 4-minute video. And boy, that's a quick one for me. Anyway, you guys have any questions, get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. And if you've already joined another team, you can still do that funnel system, okay? And if you haven't joined at all, I hope you joined my team, okay? All right, guys, rock, never stop. I'm going to do some Def Leppard rocking right after this, and I'm going to go pee because I just realized I have to. All right, guys, you be good to yourself, and I hope you join. Okay, bye, because I'm gritting my teeth, and I have my legs crossed, and now my underwear is the same color as my shirt. Ugh.